Korea, you have cool airports.
Like this. Whoa, it sounds crazy in here. Holy mackerel. I don't know what this is going to do for the audio on the camera, but this is a giant mirror dome. Super awesome, especially at like 5 o'clock in the morning when you haven't slept all night. It sounds so crazy in here. You know how like when you like talk into a balloon? Think of that, but like be inside the balloon. This is pretty cool.
First time to Korea. Probably not my last time to Korea, but no, I'm tired. Really tired. My clock, it's 4 a.m. Here it's 6 p.m. the next day. So I slept a little bit on the plane, but not a lot, because there's a lot of awesome movies on the plane. Like the new Winnie the Pooh. I watched the new Winnie the Pooh movie. It's so great. Oh, it's like reliving my childhood, except with better animation. It was fantastic. So I got a couple hours now to go find the next gate that I'm supposed to be at and look at Korea's cool airport. This place is pretty dang sweet. I'm about to come up onto a thing that's shiny and there's lights in it. It's like a curved TV. Let's go look at this thing. I'm trying to sound excited so that this isn't a boring video to watch. But it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I haven't slept a whole lot. Check this thing out. This is like a TV that is not flat. This is cool. I totally understand how they build it. Oh, this is neat. Technology stuff is cool. Come on, America, catch up to this thing. Dang, this is sweet. I like legit dream about building this kind of stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, there's a robot. Okay, we're gonna go find this robot. I don't know why there's a robot, but we found one before. I was trying to figure out how to park, but I couldn't figure out. Okay, here we go. Ready? Look at this thing.
휴식하러 가는 중이에요. 제가 이동할 수 있도록 조금만 비켜주세요. 다음에 다시 만나요.
It's just, it's like in everybody's way. It's telling us how it's gonna go take a nap, but really it's just getting in everyone's way. And there you go. That's the Korean airport for you. Okay, found a camera shop. Didn't find what I needed. Things aren't like astronomically better in price, so didn't buy it just yet. But what I have learned from shopping is when you see something, just buy it, because you don't know if you're going to see it again. Because there's been a lot of times where we found stuff that, or we've seen stuff, and we go, oh yeah, we'll find it somewhere else. And then you don't, and then you go back, and then someone else bought it, and then you don't get what you want. So just buy what you want when you find it. However, this is a shopping mall. I feel like it's a little bit of a different scenario. That rule applies more to markets and stuff. So I'm gonna go find some food to eat, and then we're off to go hop on a ferry. Ferry. We are on Bohol. We are in a place called Tagbilaran. I don't know if that's how you say it. That's how I say it. This is right close to an island called Panglao, and there's a lot of cool stuff there. So, booked my Airbnb on the way here. Talked with that lady. Sounds pretty nice. So I'm just walking off the pier now. I'm gonna go find myself a little motorcycle. Get me a cheap little ride over to that place, settle in, and we'll figure out something to do then. Maybe we'll go eat some food. That feels good. Okay, let's go get some food. And I'm thirsty. Got myself Gatorade. Replenish my electrolytes. Because I need my energy. And I was just thirsty. My supper ended up being a whole whack load of barbecue. And some very friendly people on the street. The thing is, I got like 4 times as much as I ordered. I didn't know what kind of meat it was, so I asked them, and then they were telling me that that one was pork, and I said, well, what's that one? And I go, oh, well, that one's chicken. Okay, well, let's split it half and half. And she goes, oh, you want half of that? And I go, yeah. So she gives me half of the pile that was there, which was a lot, and I just added it to the stack of meat that I already had. So, you know, I got a lot of meat to eat, which is fine by me, because I like meat. Another fun thing about going to another country is you get to see what all their nightlife is like. Like that tree up there. Oh, those lights are hanging in there. In the car world, this is what we call rice. If you're not a car person, you might not understand it, but everything has underglow on it. Everything's just bright and colorful, and the street even has lights in it. I don't know if you can see those in there, but there's legit street lights in the street. Anyways, I got all this. This is all my meat from my supper that I got. I haven't tried it yet. It's kind of hard to vlog and eat and walk and do all this stuff. I'm almost back at my place, so I'll eat it once I'm there. And then I'll let you know how it tastes. All right, I am back. Let's see what this barbecue stuff tastes like. I think this one is chicken. Fun fact for you, on the way up here, I'm pretty sure I just got called Matt Damon by people that didn't speak English, but they were girls. Street meat. That's probably the best part of any holiday, is eating meat that you get from a barbecue on the street. I love it. I love it so much. See, I'm not even mad that I got like 4 times as much as I actually wanted, because I'm gonna devour all this. That's gonna be great. So, that being said, we're gonna say that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna finish eating this, and then I'm gonna do some editing, and then I gotta find where I wanna stay tomorrow, because I want to get closer to the beach, and then I'm gonna rent a motorcycle when I got a place close to the beach, and I can just kind of have that as my home base for a couple days, and I can rip around and go all over the place from there. So like this video, and you can subscribe to it, and you can tell all your friends about it, and I'm gonna keep eating my meat because it's so good, and I'm really hungry, and I'm still really tired because the jet lag getting here, it messes with your system. So, and I'm all wet again. Oh, my feet hurt. I haven't walked that much for a long time, consecutively. I'm just gonna stop talking now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.